Alright grunts, welcome back to our channel. We want to give you guys a little tutorial on how to do a regular clinch knot. So we want to teach you guys first how to do it with a nice wide area so you get an idea of how it's done, and then we're going to move on to actually doing on the hook. So remember that you have your leader line, what's going to be excess, and your main line will go to your rod. So we're going to grab our leader line, pass it through our conventional little hook right here for the moment, hold it. Then you want to have, I like to make a little gap right here and give it about 4 to 6 knots around. So right now we have around 4. I would say this is about maybe 6, close enough. As long as I think at least as long as you have more than 4, that should be more than enough. So then you're gonna get your leader line and pass it through the hole that you made in the beginning. Right through, grab it, and you're gonna stretch it out. Right before you tighten, you wanna moisten the line. Then you wanna push. Give it a pull. When you feel it tight, grab the other end, give it a nice pull until you feel it nice and hard. All right, so now we're gonna try the same thing now with the hook. We're gonna pass it through our hole.
Oh, there you go.
Make your little gap, make sure you're holding on to that. Twist the leader line around. Make about 4 to 6 knots. Pass the leader line through the hole you made. Pull it a little bit. Moisten it. Hold on to your hook and push. And right there, you have a clinch knot.
Very nice.
Of course, we're gonna grab a knife, we're gonna grab whatever we have and cut our excess.
Beautiful clinch knot. Pretty.
Thank you, sir.